Now, viewers, I want to draw your attention to how the Indian Army used their aerial might to thwart any Pakistani offenses, the key ingredient here being the remotely piloted aircraft systems during Operation Sindoor. These drones were mainly used for surveillance and artillery fire correction. Times Now's correspondent Tejashree gets you more on this.
Drones have played a major role before, during and after Operation Sindoor. And in this entire operation, drones have definitely played a major role for the surveillance and for the attacks as well. But there's a major difference between the enemy drones and the drones that are made in India. This is a made in India drone that is completely controlled by the remote system, and these are the visuals that you are watching on your television screens right now of the made in India drone. If we talk about this particular drone, the speciality is that it flies about 90 to 120 minutes and also can go up to 15 kilometers away. It usually flies at a height of about 15 meters above the ground, depending on the area. But it also has a directional antenna which helps it send signals clearly to the control station. Also, it in fact has a good quality camera that gives live video to the team on ground, and also in fact highlights about the movement of the enemy and captures and sends the signal via this antenna system and the screens that are installed over here. We'll be speaking to the officials so as to get a detail about how these drones were helpful during Operation Sindoor and what were their specialities. सर, क्या कुछ इनकी खास बात थी? कैसे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में इन ड्रोन्स ने बहुत मदद की हमें?
जय हिंद मैम। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान हमने इसको पूरा इसका फ़ायदा उठाया है और दुश्मन के इलाका में ले जा करके दुश्मन का बंकर्स या दुश्मन का टारगेट को हमने पूरा नज़र रख करके फिर वापस अपना लोकेशन में लेके आए और उनका लोकेशन का पता करके हमने जितना फायर वगैरह जैसे आरटी फायर करेक्शन वगैरह इस ड्रोन की मदद से कराया।
कितने कारगर साबित हुए हैं? मेड इन इंडिया ड्रोन्स हैं, आपने कहा कि जाकर वापस भी आए हैं, टारगेट नहीं हो पाए वो एनिमी से और हमारे यहाँ वापस आए।
मैम, सबसे पहले तो इसका बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया कंपनी बेंगलोर द्वारा बनाया गया है और इसका जो ऑल्टीट्यूड है वो 1500 मीटर तक और 15 किलोमीटर तक दूर जा सकता है। हाइट ज़्यादा होने की वजह से उनको ये 1500 मीटर तक हाइट जाने के बाद उनको नज़र नहीं आता है और उनके दुश्मन के इलाका में जा करके भी पूरा अपना टारगेट को और पूरा कार्रवाई पूरा करके अपना लोकेशन में सेफली आया है।
All right, so these drones are in fact gives very high resolution visuals of what's going on, where the target is. That's the antenna system, that's the screen, and these are the drones which were used during Operation Sindoor as well. And as the officer was also mentioning, that's the speciality about Indian drones, the made in India drones, that they gave the idea of the movement of the enemy and then they returned back safely. With VG Amit, this is Tejashree for Times Now.